Hello everyone, I am Assistant Professor Arvind Kute and welcome all of you on my YouTube channel. In today's video lecture, we are going to discuss about one of the famous poem written by Walt Whitman, and the name of the poem is "O Captain, My Captain." Walt Whitman was an American poet, essayist and journalist. As a humanist, he was a part of the transition between transcendentalism and realism. Whitman is among the most influential poets in the American canon and often called the father of free verse. His poetry collection, Leaves of Grass, which was described as obscene for its overt sensuality. O Captain, My Captain is an example of an extended metaphor. This poem, written in 1865 by Walt Whitman about the death of American President Abraham Lincoln. Let's read the poem first. O Captain, My Captain. O Captain, my Captain, our fearful trip is done. The ship has weathered every wreck, the prize we sought is won. The port is near, the bells I hear, the people all exulting. While follow eyes the steady kill, the vessel grim and daring. But oh hurt, hurt, hurt. Oh the bleeding drops of red, where on the deck my captain lies, fallen, cold and dead. O Captain, my Captain, rise up and here's the bell. Rise up, for you the flag is flung, for you the bugle trills. For you bouquet and ribbon waves, for you the shores are crowding. For you they call, the swaying mass, their eager faces turning. Here Captain, dear father, this arm beneath your head, it is some dream that on the deck you have fallen cold and dead. My captain does not answer. His lips are pale and still. My father does not feel my arm. He has no pulse nor will. The ship is anchored safe and sound, its voyage closed and done. From fearful trip, the victor ship comes in with object won. Exult, O shores, and ring, O bells, but I with mournful tread walk the deck, my captain lies fallen, cold and dead. This was the very mournful poem by Walt Whitman. Walt Whitman wrote this poem after Abraham Lincoln's assassination in 1865. The poem is an elegy or a mourning poem and highly symbolical and allegorical. It was written to honor Abraham Lincoln, the 16th President of the United States. It tells us about America and Abraham Lincoln's, but through a metaphor of a ship and its captain. Abraham Lincoln fought against slavery and won the American Civil War. However, he was killed just after his victory. Whitman laments the death of Lincoln in his poetry. His love for his country to express in this poetry. The poet says that the ship is coming to the shore after the victory in the battle. People have gathered to greet the captain. They have flung the national flags too. They are blowing bugles. They have brought bouquet and wreath for the captain. The ship has come safe and sound. However, its captain is dead. People do not know it. Only the poet who is with the captain on the deck knows the truth. So he cannot share the joy of the people rejoicing on the shore. He just talks and walks sadly on the deck where the captain is lying dead. Here the ship means America and its captain, of course, means Abraham Lincoln. The battle refers to the American Civil War. The war was won by Lincoln and the slaves were freed. America was saved from breaking up. The captain is dead, and this reflects the death of Abraham Lincoln. Actually, this is reference to the Abraham Lincoln. The poet really means the poet Walt Whitman. He really worked in the Civil War to take care of wounded soldiers. People on the shore represent the happy American people after the abolition of slavery. Thus, Whitman presents a simple and realistic event. However, he does it with a metaphor of a ship and its captain. Actually, the poem is melancholic. It is full of pathos. The death of Abraham Lincoln touches our hearts. The poem also reveals the poet's love for his country. So the poem remains highly patriotic.